In this video, we're taking a look at the Yorkshire by Pulte Homes. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm a Realtor with Herron Real Estate, and today I'm out here in the Bannon Lakes community located in St. Augustine, Florida. This home features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4.5 baths, a 3-car garage or a 3 tandem garage, and features approximately 3,266 square feet to about 3,459 square feet. And this home is built on a 50-foot home site. All right, so here we are entering. This is the foyer. We're gonna start our tour to the right. And this is bedroom 2. And this bedroom is about 11 feet with 1 inch by 11 feet 4 inches. And this bedroom features an ensuite bathroom. So you're gonna have the bathroom right next to the bedroom. This is great for guests. Here you have the walk-in closet. All right, and just outside of bedroom 2, we have a linen closet. And across from bedroom 2, we have a flex space. Now this flex space is a structural option. This is the garage entry door. Now here what they've done is, in lieu of the tandem garage space, which would be the 3rd garage space, they've chosen the flex space. As you can see, this would be a perfect area for working out, having a personal gym, also a study, so an office. And then across we have another flex space. Now this is open, and there is a structural option to enclose this area. So this wall here and this wall over here, and include a door. And this flex space is about 12 feet by 12 feet 8 inches. And next to this flex space, we have the gathering room. Now the gathering room is about 21 feet with 7 inches by 15 feet 8 inches. So you have lots of space for hosting. And we're going to take a look at the covered lanai. Now this covered lanai is about 22 feet by 10 feet. As you can see here in the model, they've extended the paver area, but the covered lanai would be this section here across, and they've built an outdoor kitchen, and there is a structural option for the outdoor kitchen prep. Okay, now here we walk into the cafe area. Now here they have a 6-seater table. You can see there's more space if you'd like a larger table. And this area is about 16 feet with 5 inches by 11 feet 8 inches. And here we walk into the kitchen. We have a large island here. And this model features the gourmet style layout where you have your cooktop, a designer vent, and then the microwave wall oven. So this room flows really well if you like to host. You have your island there, your cafe area, dining area, and then gathering space. Over here we have the pantry. It's a walk-in pantry, lots of space here. All right, let's take a look upstairs. All right, just before going upstairs, we do have the powder room here. This is convenient for when having guests over. Now, if you're looking to build from scratch or a quick move-in, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Now, I do not work for the builder, but can represent you throughout the purchase process. And I'd love to guide you through the new home construction process or the building process. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect with you. All right, so here we're gonna start off to the right. We're gonna walk into bedroom 2. Here we're walking into bedroom 3. You have a walk-in closet here. And bedroom 3 is about 11 feet with 6 inches by 11 feet, 6 inches. Let's give you another point of view over here. All right, now we're gonna take a look at the laundry room. Now we're taking a look here at bathroom 3. This is the standard shower layout. You can upgrade to tile. Right next to bathroom 3, we have the laundry room. Now there is an option to add cabinets over here. And then there's an option to add a sink as well with cabinetry. Now Bannon Lakes is a natural gas community, so you do have the option of either having an electric dryer or a gas dryer. Here we have a linen closet. Lots of storage space in the Yorkshire floor plan. All right, now we're walking into bedroom number 4. And bedroom number 4 is about 11 feet with 1 inch by 11 feet, 11 inches. And this room does feature a bathroom as well, so you have your ensuite bath. And then over here we have the closet. All right, then we have bedroom 5. And bedroom 5 is larger. It's about 11 feet with 6 inches by 12 feet. And there is a structural option to include an ensuite bathroom here as well. We have the closet. And next we have the loft area. Now this is great space for a media room. You can have an area for dedicated study or dedicated office. The loft area is about 17 feet with 2 inches by 15 feet 7 inches. All right, and then we have the owner suite. This is the mechanical room. We have the owner suite here. And this room is about 14 inches by 15 feet 7 inches. Let's give you another point of view from here. All right, before we check out the owner's bath, we have the walk-in closet here. And in between we have a linen closet. And then we walk into the owner's bath. Now this model features the super shower. This is the super shower structural option. Now standard would be a shower on this side and then open space here. Transom window. And then here's the water room or water closet.